In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures on your Wix website, whether you're launching a new personal blog, starting an online store, or showcasing your creative portfolio. Adding images is a fantastic way to customize your site and make it visually appealing. Let's dive right into the process using the Wix editor, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. To begin, start by opening the Wix editor for the specific site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left side of the screen. Here you'll notice a toolbar with several options that offer you various ways to enhance your site. From this set of options, you'll want to click on Add Elements. This option provides you access to tools that allow you to customize your site with various types of content, including images, text, videos, and more. After selecting Add Elements, a menu will pop out with further options. Look for the one labeled Image and click on it. This click will take you to a new section specifically devoted to images. If you already have some images on your Wix site, they'll be shown in this space. However, if you're planning to introduce new images, you'll need to import them. To upload new images, click on Upload Images. This action will open a window that lets you transfer images from your own device onto your website. You have two simple choices here. You can click the Upload button to browse your device for the images you want to use. Alternatively, for an even simpler approach, you can just drag and drop the desired pictures directly into this window. This feature is incredibly convenient because it saves time and allows for quick updates to your site content. Once you've uploaded your chosen images, they will appear in your Wix Media Site files. These files act like your personal image library on Wix, making it easy to select and organize images for any part of your website. After they have been successfully uploaded and you can see them in the media library, the next step is to pick the picture you want to display on your site. With your desired image selected, look for the Add to Page button and click on it. The image will then directly appear on the page you're editing within the Wix editor. Once it's on your page, you'll likely need to adjust it to fit your layout and design perfectly. Simply click and drag to move the image, or use the resize handles to make it the right size for your page. Take advantage of Wix's snapping guides to align your picture best with other elements on the page. And that's all there is to it. You've now added and adjusted a picture on your Wix website, making it more unique and personalized. Remember, well-chosen images can greatly enhance the viewer's experience and convey the story you wish to tell through your site. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing!